Nabi Waraga, Ina Yabiko. Maka Palok Tunabanua.
Ina Matenitu na turangan na Yulin Matenitu turang provinsi. Sanduale na baru sa patuloy manivale na yabimbo gidibu.
Natuna ngas ni huli na lili ngas ni huli ube to da tungando na wosni bo bi bina na bi kinda bagi bo no batura me kinda bo chikene lo lo mo tentu na ka bo ko. And I want to take this opportunity to thank you for according me this traditional welcome ceremony. Not only that, to giving me the opportunity to be your chief guest tomorrow in your two-day conference. I first of all like to apologize for coming in a bit late. As you know, we commissioned opened the school, technical school this afternoon in Bua, in Nawal, and it's one of the reforms in education that I'm very excited about. These technical colleges, because not only does it make use of the space of the vacant schools, we also take the opportunity to take everyone with us, and that has been one of the hallmarks of my education reforms in the last 6-7 years. And I want to thank the Minister and all of you here tonight for helping me in continuing those reforms, those education reforms. And I keep saying that the education reforms in the last 6-7 years has been one of my proudest achievements in government. Because as you know, I keep saying that those reforms are twofold. One is to, of course, get our population, our community, especially our school children educated, and to have an educated Fiji. The other one is like the one I opened this morning in the college in Bua, the technical college in Bua, is that we do not want to leave anyone behind. A lot of our kids, we really don't want to, we want to take all our kids with us. The smart ones, they're not so very smart ones, but the ones that are good with their hands. And I understand the one in Bua, they're starting with engineering and carpentry this year, and next year will be cookery and pastry. So there'll be a lot of cooking and baking cakes in Bua next year. And I apologize, as I said, I apologize for coming a bit late, because the people in Bua do not know anything about timing. And I understand we were supposed to have this ceremony at 6:30, and now we're having it at about 7:30. So I apologize for that. But tomorrow, I look forward to be your chief guest and open your 2-day seminar, because I know conferences such as that will not only help you, it will help our children, help the parents, and help the nation in the reforms that I've talked about. And again, I want to thank you all for assisting me and the Minister for Education in these reforms. To the officials and all of you here tonight, I want to thank you again for this wonderful ceremony. But I thank you again. Wonderful opportunity last week, as I keep being reminded in this function tonight. We celebrated the win by our Fiji team here in Lambasa. And as I watched the celebration in Suva, I said to myself that we must take this celebration up to Lambasa, so that, like everything else, we do not want to leave anyone behind. Everyone must celebrate the win, as we did in Suva, as we did in Nandi. The people of the North should also celebrate the win by our team. And that is one of the reasons I brought the team up last week. And as I keep saying, as for our children, we really do not want to leave anyone behind. We want to get them to get all the opportunities available that were not available to some of us, some of our parents. And this is the golden opportunity for us to make sure that everyone is educated. And I want again to thank you for endorsing my education reforms.
Matini tu na puni keng bagai. Mula me homi hauna kain kono wa deng wane. Me baharo takine.